This girl named Anna, she shut down in the savannah. She looking for a spanner to tighten she radiator. She don't want no 12, she says she want a 22. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. She radiator, it bust, it leaking water. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. This girl named Anna, shut down in the savannah. She looking for a spanner to tighten she radiator. She don't want no 12, she says she want a 22. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. She radiator, it bust, it leaking water. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. Yo, you know the boy Hitman, and it's all about the girl Anna, and the dog in the bungalow factory. Anna say that she frightened, she don't want nothing happen. The way how things be going, look, she just get she license. Anna don't want no vice grip, she looking for a toolkit with spanner inside it. That's the only thing go fix it. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. She radiator, it bust, it leaking water. The big she car, she looking for a 22 spanner. This girl named Anna, shut down in the savannah. She looking for a spanner to tighten she radiator. She don't want no 12, she says she want a 22. The big she